What are you doing?
Alright. Well, you and I have spent the better part of the morning off and on getting our spacing for our power steering bracket in. And it's lined up very nice. So now we are measuring for belts. So we just cut a belt and just kind of do our thing, you know what I mean?
Yep.
And we mark and measure. And then we'll do it again. And that's how we'll get our 2 belt sizes we need. So we're gonna have that done. So we'll have all the belts done hopefully today, if they show up. Because it's the day before Thanksgiving, so who knows.
We had a lot of fun waiting for deliveries on Monday.
Oh God, yeah. You guys waited all weekend for stuff, too.
Yep.
So we're gonna get this nice and figured out. Hopefully we'll get our belts. And I'm hoping by the end of the day, we'll have everything here done. And all the belts tensioned and everything nice. But our spacing's right and everything's lined up, so while we're at it, let's just check our power steering. Now this is, it's maxed out. See, that's minimum, that's maximum. Obviously, if you go all the way to minimum, you ain't gonna get the cap off. So you wanna be halfway-ish. So we're gonna go right there. Come through here. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. There we go. All right. About right there. Ish. And we'll always err a little bit on the smaller side of whatever they measure out to.
Yeah. I know it took a bunch of different spacers and washers and grinding and
Making stuff. Yeah, well, that's normal. See, when somebody builds a car for someone and they don't do it right, and there's no information on the bracket kit that they used, and none of the stuff jives or even looks recognizable from any of the vendors that we use, it's a problem. So we end up having to
manufacture.
Yep, and make spacers. So we're gonna do a little measure, and we will know exactly what we need.